InVision Design Collaboration App. The pros, the cons. InVision Design Collaboration App is a platform for prototyping, design collaboration, and workflow management. Most people get this wrong if they think it's only for creating mockups. InVision supports full design workflows from ideation to developer handoff. On the pros side, InVision allows designers to create interactive prototypes, gather feedback directly on designs, and manage version control effectively. Real-time collaboration tools keep teams aligned, while integrations with tools like Slack, Jira, and Sketch enhance workflow. Boards, comments, and presentations make sharing ideas with stakeholders seamless. Its digital whiteboarding feature also supports brainstorming and design thinking exercises. On the con side, InVision can be expensive for small teams, and some advanced prototyping features require higher-tier plans. The platform may feel less intuitive for beginners compared to Figma, and offline access is limited. In conclusion, InVision Design Collaboration App is ideal for design teams that need robust prototyping, feedback, and collaboration tools. Its focus on workflow integration, interactivity, and team alignment makes it a strong choice for creating, sharing, and refining design projects efficiently.